Clive Fugill, currently the Tohunga Whakairo, the Master Carver to the Institute, and I've been here for 52 years, coming up to 53. Most people outside of New Zealand see it as something quite different, as an art form, something that's unique, and it is unique. But I've stayed on with the Institute over the years, only because our master, John Taiapa, he was the first master of the school, said to us that you've come here to learn the art and pass it on. And that's what's kept me here, kept me inspired to do what I do. And I've kept his, the kaupapa of his thought, in the fact that keeping what I call the tikanga of the art. That's the correctness and how it should be done, and how it was done in previous times. A person would think that you would know everything, but you don't. And I learned things from these young men too. So we all learn together. It's a learning process. You never stop learning. As you come through the doors of this institute or any other, that's when you start to learn, and you carry on learning for the rest of your life.